Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete search suggestions on Twitter using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Twitter application. And now, I want you to do is to click on the search button at the lower part of your screen. And now, you can see the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And here you can see the personalization section. So now just go ahead and turn the trends for you. And also you can turn off the show content in your current location and click done. So that is how you do it. But for example, you don't have the settings icon, you can do is to click on your profile at the upper left corner of your screen, click on settings and support, and click settings and privacy. So now click privacy and safety, click content you see, and explore settings. So here you can also see the explore settings section. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.